Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to make that delicious, tangy soup just like you enjoy at Mang Inasal. First, let's gather our core ingredients. You'll need 1 medium tomato, 1 onion, about 4 cloves of garlic, and a 2-inch piece of ginger. The secret to its signature sourness is 1 packet of original Nor sinigang mix. For a more substantial soup, consider adding 500 grams of chicken or pork ribs and some taro roots. Now, let's build the flavor base for our soup. Heat a small amount of oil in a pan. Add your minced garlic, sliced ginger, chopped onions, and quartered tomatoes. Sauté these aromatics for about 2 to 3 minutes until they are fragrant and the tomatoes begin to soften. Next, pour in approximately 4 to 8 cups of water or chicken broth. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil, stirring occasionally for about 10 to 12 minutes to really let those flavors develop. It's time to add the main components and the iconic tang. Carefully introduce your chosen protein, like chicken pieces or 1-inch pork ribs, into the boiling broth. Let it simmer for about 15 to 30 minutes, ensuring the meat becomes tender and all the flavors meld beautifully. Then, stir in 1 packet of original Nor sinigang mix. This is where the soup gets its signature sourness. Continue simmering for another 4 to 8 minutes until the broth's color deepens. For the final touches, taste your soup and adjust the seasoning. You might want to add about 1 tablespoon of rock salt and a dash of fish sauce to your liking. If you enjoy a bit of heat, toss in 1 or 2 green chilies and let them simmer for an additional 2 to 3 minutes. Serve this comforting, hot, and tangy soup immediately in a deep bowl. For an extra burst of freshness, a squeeze of calamansi or lemon juice just before you dig in is absolutely perfect.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.